Hi, this year you're going to be using Eduphoria to take student tests online in the Student Online Testing Portal. So here are a few instructions on how to do that. So if we just follow along on the instructions, students are going to be allowed to complete certain assessments online through the Student Online Testing Portal. This following information provides basic info for a successful online testing experience, yada, yada, yada. Okay, step one. You're going to want to go to the single sign-on SSO, and that is going to give you access to EduphoriaAwareTesting. Our single sign-on looks kind of like this. This is my teacher view, and you can find that by just searching EMSISD SSO, and there'll be a link for that. That's the easiest way to get to it. Once you're there, you're going to click on EduphoriaAwareTesting icon. It's one of the icons within there. It's possible the first time you click on this, you'll have to put in your login credentials. However, it's also possible that it'll automatically put you into it because that's what the SSO is supposed to do, is take your login information and store it all so that you can automatically get into things. Your login will be your 6-digit student ID number, and your password is EMS, all in caps. And then you'll click that little login button. Once you've logged in, you're going to select your available test. There may be multiple things in there for different classes. However, you'll want to make sure that you're talking to your teacher and making sure that you're clicking on the correct one. For this class, it'll be English, and we'll talk about what the name of that is. You will see several options and tools above each question, and you're going to get to choose various options. They're kind of self-explanatory about what they do. Talk to a teacher if you need more help with what those really mean. Some key things at the end of it. When you're finished, you're going to click a Review and Submit button in the bottom right corner. This does not submit your test finally. It actually really just is a review. After you've reviewed any notes that you had personally made and ensured that you've answered all the questions, then you're going to click Submit to Score, and that is what actually finally delivers it so that your teacher can see that you've done it and so that your score will be recorded. All right, that's how simple it is on how you get into the Student Online Testing Portal. I hope you have a successful experience with it.